Samsung is on fire with updates this year. After rolling out One UI 8 beta for the Galaxy A55 and S23, the Galaxy A54 and A35 are now joining the party. If you own one of these mid-range devices, you could be among the very first to try Android 16. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest Samsung news. Yes, it's official. The One UI 8 beta program is now live for the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A54. Samsung isn't wasting any time this year. Updates are moving faster than ever. This beta is based on Android 16, and it doesn't just bring fresh features, it also comes with the September 2025 security patch. That means your phone not only gets smarter, but also more secure. The beta is currently available in India, but don't worry, more regions will follow soon. So if you're outside India, keep an eye out. Here's how you can get it. Download the Samsung Members app, log in with your Samsung account, and look for the One UI 8 beta program banner. Register your device, agree to the terms, and then head to Settings, click Software Update, next click on Download and Install. Once installed, your phone restarts and boom, you're running One UI 8 beta. So, will you jump in and test Android 16 early, or play it safe and wait for the stable release? Let me know your choice in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for all the One UI 8 updates as they roll out. Thanks for watching. Peace out.